Foreign remittance compliance is never simple. It involves multiple forms, certificates, attachments, validations, and strict submission timelines. Managing 15CA and 15CB manually through emails, Excel sheets, and government portals often leads to errors, delays, and unnecessary stress for CAs and finance teams. That is where the WrapTax Bulk 15CA CB tool simplifies everything. Getting started is easy. After logging in or registering on WrapTax, users land on a centralized dashboard that gives complete visibility over all remittance-related filings and certificates across clients and entities. From the dashboard, users can access the Bulk 15 CA/CB module, which works as a single control center for managing multiple forms together. After opening the tool, we land on the dashboard where we can file multiple forms. Today, we will be filling Form 15CB. After opening this option, we will click on Template where we get two types of templates from which we will select the new template. Click on Got It on the pop-up notification and the template file will be downloaded automatically. We will open the downloaded file and insert all the data as per the fields mentioned in the file. This format is made specially as per the income tax schema, which gives an added layer of verification to the data. After inserting all the data, we will validate it by clicking on the Validate button above. If any problem arises, it will be highlighted, which we can correct. After correcting all the validated data, we will click on the Export button. After exporting, a CSV file will be downloaded automatically. The downloaded file will be uploaded on the main WrapTax dashboard by clicking on the Upload button. After selecting and uploading the file, a Validate option will appear. Click on the Validate button to revalidate it once again as per the income tax schema, which acts as a three-layer verification before uploading the final data file on the income tax portal. After that, we will click on the Download button present on the top right side. After clicking the Download button, an XML file will be downloaded, which can be uploaded directly to the income tax portal. By automating data entry, validation, tracking, and documentation, WrapTax reduces processing time and minimizes compliance risk. No more repetitive work, no more last-minute panic, no more scattered records. With the WrapTax Bulk 15 CA/CB tool, international remittance compliance becomes fast, accurate, and stress-free. If managing multiple 15 CA/CB filings still feels complicated, it is time to upgrade to a smarter way with WrapTax.